how to draw a super orangey sunset as well as lakeside scenery step by step. Let's commence. Commence the drawing with 2B or HB pencil. You all know that I always suggest you all to draw with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase in this drawing as your requirement. Make sure you subscribe my channel that you can easily get all of the notification, all of the scenery drawing as well as the poster drawing when I will publish. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. All of the colors name that I have used to draw the scenery you will find to watch on the bottom of the scenery. So our drawing is complete and let's start coloring. Commence coloring with the river with Prussian blue, cobalt blue as well as the sky blue. In all of my tutorials, you know I always say you all that don't forget to mash all of the colors as well as blend or smash up the color as well as you can, because you all know that blending of the colors will make your scenery or the poster super attractive and marvelous to watch. If you want to follow me, then don't forget to check out the description. I will publish my Facebook page link, so just check it out and follow myself. Here in the drawing I applied a technique, that is I applied the sky blue color so lightly, and after that I blend the white color as much as possible I can, and it was really a good vibe that give you in the river coloring. So don't forget to apply this technique. And in this hill I applied the blue green as well as the yellow green. In this beautiful as well as the fatty tree I applied Prussian blue green as well as the yellow green color, and don't forget to match them all as well as you can, as I did again. Then here is our super orangey sunset sky. So draw the super orangey sunset sky with red orange as well as yellow orange and last the yellow. And you know the technique what I applied all of my tutorials, that is apply the yellow super lightly and after that mix up with the white color as much as you can. So it's a little bit kind of different but looking so beautiful. If you face any kind of problem to draw the super orangey sunset scenery, then don't forget to comment me below. I will be always here to answer you as your problem, as well as if you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of assessment about my drawing, then don't forget to also comment me below. I will be always here and I will always try to keep your request as much as possible. So don't forget to comment me below. If you be a new learner friend on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's my kindly request to you. So please subscribe my channel. Then color the bush of the tree with Vindicky brown as well as the brown. Then I colored the land with Prussian blue, green, grass green as well as the yellow green, and blend it properly as much as you can. If you want to watch the previous video, I will link it on the I button. Just click the I button and watch the previous. If you learn a little bit from my drawing tutorial, then don't forget to give a thumbs up on the tutorial. Color the roads with brown, yellow ochre as well as the pale orange. Please try this easy scenery at your home, and if you feel any kind of problem, then don't forget to comment me below your problem. I will always here to solve your problems as you requirement that I can. Then I color the roof of the house with purple as well as the lavender color and mix it well. Then the door with cobalt blue. And here is our drawing. Just outline whole the scenery again with a black outliner. And our drawing is complete. If you be a new learner friend in my creation world, then don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as give a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and to watch the previous, click on the I button. It is time to bounce. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay cool, stay happy. Ta-da!